Welcome. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to deploy a SQL Server over SMB on our Cloud Volume service. The NetApp Cloud Volume service provides a high-volume, cloud-native file service with rich data management capabilities based on NetApp ONTAP. It is currently available in 3 major public clouds such as AWS, Azure, and Google. Cloud Volume provides easy management. There's no need for operational support. It also can be managed through Cloud Console to allow provisioning, managing, and monitoring. It fits the model of pay-as-you-go consumption, which matches with that of public cloud computing. In this demo, we will demonstrate how to create cloud volumes and grant the proper permissions to our SQL Server service account. In this example, we will use the _SQL admin account. Then we will create a database with data files residing over SMB shares. We then will increase the size of our cloud volume to demonstrate how easy it is to do. After that, we will create a snapshot and clone of the database and then attach this new database for other purposes such as reporting. First, we'll start and connect to our production instance with SQL installed using the _SQL admin account. After validating our login with PowerShell, we can verify that this account is not a member of the local admin groups by checking the local users and groups application under Groups Administrators. Here you can see that the _SQL admin account is not a member of the local administrator groups. In SQL Server Config Manager, we want to validate that the _SQL admin account is being used to start SQL Server services. Typically, we would want to use domain accounts that are independent from user accounts to start the SQL Server service. Through the Cloud Volumes portal, we can create a new volume. We'll give it a logical name, set the appropriate region, give it a quota, set the protocol to SMB, and ensure that all Active Directory entries are correct for this environment. After creating the volume, we can copy the SMB path from the web portal to map the share to our Windows instance. For security purposes, we'll want to edit the share's properties to give our _SQL admin user full control and remove the everyone permission that is created by default. We can now connect to our Microsoft SQL instance using SQL Server Management Studio, connecting with the same SQL admin account. After right-clicking the databases directory, we'll create a new database and give it a name of Seattle Retail. The database file paths will be set to that of the SMB share created in the Cloud Volume web portal. As you can see, our database and log files are now visible from the mapped SMB share. If we return to the Cloud Volumes portal, you'll see that we're given the ability to edit many of our volumes properties after creation, such as quota, which here will upgrade from 30 gigs to 1 terabyte. We can then easily take a snapshot of the volume and create a new volume clone from that snapshot. Again, specifying our logical name, region, and the snapshot just created. We'll add the necessary Active Directory settings at the bottom of the volume creation page. In order to demonstrate that the new volume has correctly inherited the same security settings, after copying the SMB path, we can instantly map this new drive to our Windows instance. In our newly created volume, the security profile consisting of the SQL admin account is maintained, and our database files are readily available. Using the following script containing the new clone's SMB path, we can quickly create our Seattle Retail clone database from the cloned volume. Notice that upon expanding the tables directory, separate error log tables are visible for each instance. And upon deleting the error log on the clone database, this does not affect the original Seattle retail, as they are now independent of one another. In summary, as you can see, the Cloud Volume service provides simple data management functionality, support for multiple protocols, allows us to sync data from on-prem or from Cloud Volume to Cloud Volume, gives us snapshot and cloning capabilities, and supports REST APIs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to look for more videos on Cloud Volume SQL deployments.